Good morning, buenos dias. We are up and ready to go. The expo center, the hot rods already lined up and ready to come in. We are getting ready to get our booth set up. So we have everything set up now. Give you a glimpse of what we got going on and around the booth. We got our booth set up, ready to go. Anjali finishing up a few little things. The whole iron head out too, of course. All of our vests, patches, caps. Tego Customs tumblers they made for us. Little custom embroidery patches. Little custom embroidery caps. Our gremlin bells. Here's a glimpse of a bunch of hot rods out. They're still coming in. We just opened the doors. Of course, can't get over to get a look at all the other cars. I'm on a low line area here. Neighbors over here. There's another spot over here in the parking lot. Some more vendors. Down this way. There's another parking lot of cars. See you when you come in.